This is for the innovators. People with ambition. People who don't stand still. People like Dennis. Dennis Baldwin, our founder, wasn't satisfied with the boilers he used at his horticultural company. He wanted better boilers, better quality, with better efficiency. If he hadn't invented that precise model of boiler in 1968, we wouldn't have the energy-efficient Byworth boilers of today. And people like Dennis's son Peter. Peter had a groundbreaking idea: to make our boilers available for hire, anytime, anywhere. In the late 1980s, Byworth were the first ever to hire out a self-contained, transportable boiler house. And people like our technical team went on to develop our intelligent control system, Unity, optimizing performance and reducing on-site costs for our customers. Some people resist change. Not Byworth. Byworth embrace it. We have always challenged the status quo, and in doing so, we have revolutionized our market. We continue to ask questions, to push boundaries, to improve outcomes. Not for us, but for you. Innovation is at our core. It allows us to continue leading the way in our industry, which helps you to stay at the forefront of yours. Our roots are in growth. Thanks to our innovations, we continue to adapt alongside our customers. This is for the innovators, those with ambition, those who embrace change, those who don't stand still. This is for you.